This is a DBMS chapter number 6, relation algebra and calculus. Relation algebra is divided into 4-5 parts. First is unary relation operation. Unary relation operation is select and object operations after relation algebra operation from set theory. Unary operation, intersection operation, minus operation, cross product operations. After binary relation operations, join operation, equijoin operation, natural join operation, and division operation. Additional relation operation is only one, outer join. After relation calculus, divided into two parts: tuple relation calculus, domain relation calculus. Now discuss is unary relation operations, select and object operations. After first of all using schema diagram, database staff for company, entities employee, attribute first name, last name, SSN number. SSN number is a social security number, and DOB, date of birth, address, sex is a male or female, salary, super SSN number, and after department number. Second is department entity. Attribute is a department name, department number, manager SSN number, manager start date. After department location, department number and department location. Project attribute is P name, P number, location, P location, and department number. Works on social security number, project number, hours. Dependent is a social security number, department name, sex, date of birth, and relationship. It is a schema diagram for the company relation database schema, and primary key or underline. Social security number is a primary key. You can see in the employee table, department in D number is a primary key, underline sign. Department location, department number, and D location, both is E. Project, in project is a project number is a primary key. Works on is a social security number and project number, both are primary key. Super key, you can say that. Dependent is a essential number and dependent name are primary key. It is a database staff for company schema. It is a schema of company relationship database. Relation algebra. The basic set of operation for the relation model is known as relation algebra. And unary relation operation is select operation. Select operation is used to select a subset of the tuple from relation that satisfies selection condition. The selection operation is denoted by select and selection condition and relations are, where symbol sigma is used to denote the select operation. Select operator. Example: to select the employee tuples whose department number is 4 or those whose salary is greater than 30,000. Following notation is used. You can say that sigma department number equal to 4 and relation employee, and after other is sigma salary greater than 30,000, relation is employee. You can say that is result first name, last name, social security number, date of birth, address, sex, salary, and superannuation number and department number. Question is that greater than 30,000, greater than 30,000. So you can say that all 30,000 greater than 30,000 employee are shown in diagram. You can say that it is a result. And second one is department number 4. So you can say that Rohit Kumar is a department number 4. Also our a result, both result. After project operation, what is project operations? This operation is select container column from the table and discard the other columns. The project create a vertical partition. Pi conditions in relation are: employ the list of each employee first and last name and the salary of the following. You can say that pi, last name, first name, salary and employee the relations, where pi is the symbol used to represent a project operation. And after result you can say that you can see last name, first name, salary, Raj, Gupta Raj 35,000, Kumar Rohit 40,000, Singh Rakesh 45,000. It is a result of project operations. Project operations you can only attribute, and the project create only vertical operations. Just like a vertical operation, you can say that you can see it is a vertical, and horizontal is this. It is a result of project operations. Project operation. After second part is our set theory operations. Second part is our union operation, intersection operation, and minus and cross product operations.